Repeat with us to improve your English speaking. Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I love playing video games in my free time.
Are you good at dancing?
No, I am not very good at dancing, but I enjoy it.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant is an Italian one downtown.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Are you afraid of heights?
Yes, I am terrified of heights.
Are you good at swimming?
Yes, I am a strong swimmer.
Do you practice speaking English every day?
Yes, I try to practice speaking English regularly.
Are you working on improving your pronunciation?
Yes, I am practicing my pronunciation every day.
Are you confident in your English speaking abilities?
Not completely, but I am working on building my confidence.
How do you expand your English vocabulary?
I like to read English books.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What's your favorite board game?
I love playing Monopoly with friends and family.
Do you enjoy going for walks in nature?
Yes, I find it very peaceful and relaxing.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I can't handle spicy food very well.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
I love decorating the Christmas tree with my family.
Are you good at remembering people's names?
Yes, I am pretty good at remembering names.
Do you like to exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to go for a run or to the gym a few times a week.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I am terrified of spiders.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Mexican food, especially tacos and guacamole.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love hiking, camping, and exploring nature.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV and play games.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza and pasta.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea every morning.
Do you like to cook?
No, I don't like to cook.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and gardening.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend named Emma.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to a birthday party.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy rainy days.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.